Hey friend, welcome back to Seavminh channel. And today I want to talk about something that we all use every day is money. But have you ever wonder why money is different in every country or why the US dollar is used so much around the world? Let's explore it all step by step. What is money? Money is something that we use to buy things. A long time ago, people used to trade items like rice or fish. So that's called bartering. But today we use paper money and coins. Every country has its own money we call currency. For example, French uses the euro, Thailand uses the baht, okay? Vietnam use the dong, and the United States use the US dollar. Why is US dollar is so important? The US dollar is the most used money in the world. But why? After World War II, the US became a very strong country with a strong economy. Many countries started to trust the dollar. Today, many banks, businesses, and even some a country keep the US dollar because they believe it is stable and safe. That's why the US dollar is called world's reserve currency. It means it's used for international trade and saved by many governments. Why are exchange rates different? Let's say if you go to Thailand with 1 US dollar, you will get around 36 to 41 Thai baht. And if you go to French, $1 give you around 0.9 T to 0.95 euros, depending on the market. But why? Well, the value of the money depending on things like the first one is how strong economy's country is. Second, how much money they print. And the last one, how many people want to use it. For example, the euro is strong because many European countries use it and have stable economies. And now you will know about something interesting about the most expensive and the cheapest currency in the world. The most expensive currencies in the world is the Kuwaiti dinar. One Kuwaiti dinar is more than 3 US dollars. And the cheapest currency is the Iranian rial. 1 US dollar can be over 40,000 rials. That's a huge amount between the Kuwaiti and the Iranian. This doesn't mean Kuwait is the richest or the Iran is the poorest. It's just their currency value is very high or low based on many factors. So why do we exchange money? People exchange money for many reasons, as you know by yourself too, right? The first one is traveling to another country. Example, if you go to a Thailand, you cannot buy something from using dollars, US dollar directly. You have to buy something by using the baht Thai, okay? So you have to exchange. The second one, buy product from other country. So if you want to order something from the US or you want to buy something from a China, so it might be different. So you have to exchange the money to buy those products. And third, sending money to the family abroad. Example, I am the Cambodian. So if I have a family that they live in the US, so they have to send the money to me because it's transferred to me in Cambodia. So they have to exchange something. It's really tough sometimes, but it depending on the situation. Okay, and every day people do businesses exchange money using something called the foreign exchange market or forex. It's where currencies are traded. The prices go up and down. It just like the stock market. So now you know why the US dollar is so popular and why the euro is different from the Thai baht or Vietnam dong. And what the most expensive and cheapest currency are. Money might seem confusing, but when you break it down step by step, it's not so hard to understand. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like or comment. And don't forget to share to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe to the Seavminh channel for more example and fun knowledge video. See you next time. Goodbye.